Welcome to Mom the Wonder Chef. Today in this video I am preparing a wonderful tea with Tulasi, green tea with Tulasi. So you already know Tulasi is also called as basil leaves, has an abundant properties of antioxidant, and also it is good for cold, cough, and it has all the properties of a benefit of good health. So today here in this video I'm going to prepare green tea with tulasi, which is a natural way of making. Here I boiled 1 glass of water. So meanwhile I have a tulasi plant in my house, so I plucked the fresh leaves, washed thoroughly and chopped it, and I added in the boiling water. Now once it starts boiling, we are going to close the lid, simmer the flame, and let it boil at least for 5 minutes until the water turns into a very good medicinal green color. That's it. The tulasi green tea is ready, which is natural way of making. We get powder in the medical shops or in the supermarkets, which is not a very good one. So making green tea with tulasi naturally has a good amount of uh, antioxidants. It's an antiseptic and also has a very good medicinal properties of controlling cold and cough during the winter season, especially for the children. Here I will also added the chopped fresh ginger. That's it. Drain the tea and you can see the color has changed completely into a light greener color. Now in this you can add even honey, or you can just add pepper powder and can drink it in the morning or in the evening to get all the benefit of the basil green tea, that is the tulasi green tea. Now taking this regularly controls cold cough during the winter season. So please do try it and give your comments in the comment section. I'll be getting back in the next video, and I here added little jaggery too. Take care and bye bye.